Hi, I'm Amit Premchandani, Fund Manager of UTI Value Fund. In UTI Value Fund, we take a distinct approach that goes beyond traditional matrices, viewing value through the prism of intrinsic value. We define intrinsic value as the discounted value of cash flow a business generates over its remaining life. These cash flows can evolve with changing market dynamics, and stock prices may fluctuate significantly above or below intrinsic value for various reasons. What's critical for us is how we navigate our portfolio within the framework of intrinsic value in different market environments. Our portfolio construction is based on three key levers that guide our investment decisions. Our first lever is sectoral allocation, which is driven by valuation filters. We focus on investing in sectors where valuations are attractive and sustainable. Where we are in the operating cycle or valuation cycle drive our sectoral allocation. We avoid narrative-driven sectoral allocation. The second lever is our barbell approach. On one side, we invest in companies going through cyclical downturns, where we execute contra strategy by investing in stocks going through temporary disruption in performance on account of cycles. This helps us to buy when expectations are low, while on the other hand, we also buy growth stocks which have decent growth outcomes and long runway of growth, available at reasonable implied growth. The opportunity in both cases is to buy something cheap relative to expectations. And finally, we maintain the flexibility to invest across market caps, large, mid or small, wherever we find the comfortable valuation. Our focus is on cash flows rather than accounting profits, leading us to avoid companies with weak operating cash flows. Additionally, we avoid businesses with excessive leverage. Portfolio quality is better than peers on account of focus on cash flow as well as financial leverage. So the UTI Value Fund stands out in a way that top-down we are focused on valuation, while bottom-up we have a more nuanced approach, ensuring that we invest in businesses with real long-term value, in addition to participation in attractive cyclical opportunities. Our strategy helps in delivering relatively consistent return outcomes, avoiding the heightened volatility often seen in fully cyclical portfolios. Historically, during market sell-offs and sharp drawdowns, our strategy with its relatively high-quality value portfolio has largely exhibited better downside protection. Value investing is a long-term journey, best suited for investors who believe in intrinsic value and are willing to stay invested across market cycles. At UTI Value Fund, we remain committed to unlocking opportunities that create lasting wealth for our investors. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.